Most drivers think expensive engine oil automatically means better protection. It doesn't. In fact, you could spend twice as much on oil and still make the wrong choice for your engine. The real danger isn't always the brand on the bottle. It's using the wrong viscosity, ignoring manufacturer approvals, or leaving the oil in the engine far longer than you should. And the scary part, your engine can be wearing internally for months without giving you a single warning light. Modern motor oils are far better than they were years ago. Most reputable oils meet strict industry standards, so the question isn't simply, which oil is good? The smarter question is, which oil is right for my engine and the way I drive? That's where experienced mechanics think differently. Castrol Edge is one example of a premium synthetic that has earned respect because it offers multiple formulations designed for different applications. It can be a strong choice for engines that need excellent cold start flow and protection under higher temperatures. But here's the catch. If your vehicle only requires a standard specification and you're changing the oil regularly, paying extra for a premium product may not give you a dramatic advantage. The same goes for Pennzoil's higher-end synthetic oils. Their strong reputation for cleanliness and deposit control makes them attractive for modern turbocharged and direct injection engines. But don't buy the bottle simply because it says premium. Check the exact specification first. Your engine doesn't care about the marketing on the front. It cares about what's required on the back. Valvoline is another popular choice among independent mechanics because it offers a wide range of formulations for everyday cars, trucks, SUVs, and high-mileage vehicles. The important thing is choosing the correct product. A premium brand with the wrong formulation is still the wrong oil. Then there's Mobil 1, one of the most recognized synthetic oil names in the industry. It offers a huge range of viscosities and applications, and many drivers trust it for long-term engine protection. But here's one of the biggest myths you need to forget. Expensive synthetic oil does not mean you can ignore oil changes. Oil still becomes contaminated. Fuel can dilute it, dirt can enter the engine, short trips can create moisture and deposits. Heavy towing and extreme temperatures can increase stress. And if your engine is slowly losing oil, running it a quart low can be far more damaging than choosing one reputable brand over another. Even premium oil can't protect an engine when there's not enough oil inside it. Amstel is another brand often associated with severe duty and long-term applications. Drivers who tow heavy loads, travel long distances, or plan to keep their vehicle for many years may choose its premium formulations. But don't misunderstand extended drain capability. Just because an oil is designed for longer service doesn't mean every vehicle should automatically double its oil change interval. Your driving conditions matter. Short trips, traffic, idling, dust, towing, and extreme temperatures can all change how quickly oil degrades. Now let's talk about oils that sometimes get criticized simply because they're more expensive or less popular with certain mechanics. Royal Purple is a good example. It's not automatically bad oil. The question is value. If your everyday commuter requires a certain specification, a less expensive synthetic meeting that exact requirement may provide everything the engine needs. Paying more doesn't automatically buy longer engine life. The same principle applies to budget full synthetic oils. A lower price doesn't automatically mean poor protection. If the product carries the required certification and matches your vehicle's specification, it can be a perfectly reasonable option for normal driving. Kirkland's Signature is another example. Its full synthetic oil has become popular because of its attractive price, but the real issue isn't whether the brand is cheap. It's whether the exact oil meets your vehicle's requirements. Some vehicles need specific approvals or specialized viscosities, and that's where a limited product selection can become a problem. Quaker State also gets judged by its old reputation, but modern oil formulations have changed dramatically. The name on the bottle matters less than the specification of the exact product you're buying today, and that leads to the most important lesson. Stop asking, what's the best oil brand? Start asking, what does my engine require? Your owner's manual may specify 0W20, 5W30, 0W30, or another viscosity for a reason. The first number describes how the oil behaves when cold, while the second describes its viscosity at operating temperature. Thicker isn't automatically better. Thinner isn't automatically better. The correct viscosity is the one your engine was designed to use. Manufacturer approvals matter too, especially on modern turbocharged engines and vehicles with specialized requirements. And here's something mechanics know that advertisements rarely emphasize: consistency matters. If you found a reputable oil that meets your vehicle's requirements, there's usually no reason to switch brands every time another bottle goes on sale. Your engine doesn't need constant experimentation. It needs the right oil, the right level, a good filter, and sensible maintenance intervals. In fact, some of the most expensive engine failures aren't caused by choosing the wrong major brand at all. They're caused by running the engine low on oil, ignoring leaks, stretching oil changes too far, or assuming the dashboard will warn you before serious damage happens. It might not. So before your next oil change, don't automatically reach for the most expensive bottle on the shelf. Check your owner's manual. Confirm the viscosity. Confirm the required approval. Consider how you actually drive. Then choose a reputable oil that fits those requirements and change it on time. That's how you protect an engine for the long haul. because engines don't reach 200,000 or 300,000 miles because of one magical oil brand. They get there because the owner consistently makes the boring decisions correctly. Now tell me in the comments, what oil are you using, what viscosity, and how many miles are on your engine? You might help another driver avoid an expensive mistake. And if you want more straight-to-the-point mechanic advice that can save you money and extend the life of your vehicle, subscribe, because the next maintenance mistake could be costing you thousands without you even realizing it.